Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can transform your kitchen experience? Picture this. AI, a familiar presence in our lives, now stirs the pot in the culinary world. It's not just about recipes anymore, but a whole new approach to cooking. AI-assisted cooking is here to enhance your culinary skills and make your kitchen tasks more efficient. Imagine the joy of cooking, elevated by the precision of AI, a world where your kitchen understands you. Step into the future where cooking is a seamless blend of tradition and technology. Imagine having a personal chef guide you, only this chef is powered by artificial intelligence. Now, let's delve into how this becomes possible. AI technology can lead you through any recipe step by step. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, preparing a meal, and your AI chef is there, instructing you on what to do next. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, it might say, or stir until the sauce thickens. But the magic doesn't stop there. The AI can adjust recipe quantities based on how many servings you need. Let's say you're cooking for 2 instead of 4. Your AI chef will automatically halve the ingredients for you. Ever found yourself stuck without a crucial ingredient? The AI chef has you covered. It can suggest substitutes on the fly, ensuring you can continue with your culinary creation. And the best part? The AI chef provides real-time feedback, just like a real-life culinary expert, making your cooking experience interactive and dynamic. Cooking with AI is like having a culinary expert in your kitchen, available at any time. What makes AI the perfect sous chef in your kitchen? Artificial intelligence shines in precision, convenience, and personalization. It meticulously measures ingredients, ensuring every dish is perfect. It's like having a personal chef, tailoring meals to your taste and dietary needs. Furthermore, AI is a culinary tutor, improving your cooking skills by suggesting new techniques and recipes. It's a revolution, combining the art of cooking with the cutting-edge technology. Cooking with AI, a blend of culinary art and cutting-edge technology, is set to redefine our kitchen experiences.